calling. Okay, so hey y'all, this is my daughter, my 3-year-old daughter, Amari. I'm about to get ready to do her hair. That's my son right there, you see him? Alright y'all, just keep watching. I might have to just cut the volume off because they're gonna talk through the whole video and not allow me to talk. But y'all, if y'all keep watching, you see how I do her hair, and I'm gonna dress her up a little bit, make her look cute, do like a little photo shoot with her. But yeah guys, so continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stop. Hey, stop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next video.
This hurt me.
I'm sorry, baby. Okay, so.
Better spray my hand. Better spray my hand. Just spray your
This is what mommy gonna put on my hair.
Mommy, hold my
To
hair.
detangle. Okay, you gonna do it?
Ouch.
It's okay.
This hurt me.
It's okay, mom. You don't want to take pills?
I like pictures. This hurt me. Ow, this hurt me.
No, it don't.
Yes,
Wait, and she's like, stop, we don't. Stop, baby. Let me do your hair. All right, that's enough.
That's enough, Mommy.
Well, you not letting me do your hair. Okay. Come on.
That's
All right. Okay.
Hi, everybody. My name is Mommy. Mommy did my pretty hair.
You like it?
Yeah.
Show them the back of it.
My hair is crazy.
Look at your shirt. Show them your shirt, your shorts. See your shorts. Guys, here's another shirt that she got on, her little princess shirt. You like it, Wita?
Yeah.
And we just kept the same shorts, so it looks like it goes. It's going crazy. All right, let's go and change one more time, okay? One more time. All right, y'all. So this is the last little outfit she wore. Don't you look so cute? Oh, you gonna step on the tape? Don't do it. Look. So we'll hold one piece, but like this.